this is Seila Holistics. Today we will be doing a life path spread to Leos this year how the 2022 will be. Basically 2022 the numbers 2 plus 2 and 2 combining up to the number 6 numerologically ruled by planet Venus and the great influence of number 2 coming thrice. So the effect of moon is very much there. So this combination when we see for Leos it is a year below average, but it depends upon the personal chart, what periods and the placement of the planets they are undergoing. So basically for a year which has number 2 and number 6 in the driving seat, I would recommend that if any of you have any upheavals in your general life, in your love life, relationship or career, rose quartz will help you to overcome in a gentler phase so that you can overcome and give self-love, unconditional love, harmony in workplace, harmony at home so that you can cope up. So before going into the deep reading of how this year will be, we will do a small ritual to cleanse up the deck so that the memories of the past readings will be wiped out. Now the first card, your energies wholly in this year, how your career will be, your love life, your general health, your relationship with your neighbors, your secondary and third relations, your general finance, do you have any travels, how your wish will go on, any property buying and selling, anything of that kind, how about your children, your gains and losses, and your spirituality. For those who want to know how the year will be in one card, I am taking another card from the other deck. Tarot guidance for you. And finally the card of angel advice from the universe, what the best you can do to manage this year, or how the year will be and what you need to do. The first card being your energy is the Fool card. So the Fool card says that there will be lot of new beginnings coming up in your life. So definitely changes are in the corner. Changes is going to happen. It can happen in your career or in your relationship or any spiritual new path or anything from long time what you wanted to happen in your life. Such things beginning and taking off is indicated, but at the same time it also has a bright future for you where you can plunge into your new career or new path. But the thing is you have to take a little bit care when you do so. Risky things and without thinking much or doing spontaneously is also indicated. So take care guys, no extra spending, no heavy spending or no risky things. Take a deep thought, give analytical brain some work and then you start. That is good for you. But overall it is a great year for new things to begin, a new turning coming in your life, in your career or love life or whatever it is. In your career, you have got the card 8 of swords. So this says that there may not be much changes coming in your career. Even though you want to bring lot of changes, you want to grow well, but the situation will be as such that you will be feeling that you are stuck up in something. Such energies are indicated. So taking long projects or doing risky things are not there. Status quo should be maintained. Otherwise, there may be instances which will pinch you, so you need to take care before doing any new ventures or new things in your career. And in your love life, you have got the card 3 of Pentacles, a great card to get. Family, unity, cooperation, love from others, and all are indicated. And from long time, if you have been tendering upon the universe for your relationship, for solving any issues, or you are in love life and it's not taking off, such things can really take off. Your petition regarding your relationship from the universe is granted. So such are the energies. But other hand, if you are in a committed relationship, it says that the bondage will grow and there will be mutual understanding between couples. So that is the thing. And the fourth card regarding your health is 9 of Wands. It says everything is really good, nothing to worry. But it has to say two things. One is the Wand card coming in your health says that you need to take care of your bones and spinal cord, it's indicated. And also it also says that you should take take care before taking any risky food or taking new medicines or consulting a new doctor or going for a strict diet or fitness regime. You need to be very careful because sometimes it may boomerang. Otherwise, general health will be good and you have to take care of it. And the relationship with your second and third relations, like your if you are a married person, then for with your sisters, cousins, your uncles, aunts, and your neighbors, your colleagues, it's a Queen of Cups. It will be really good. You will be caring and you will get the care. You will get the love and support from others, that you will get in plenty of it. So there will be no issues. And it also says that some woman in your life, maybe your mother or your grandmother, your mother-in-law, or someone from other side of your relationship, they will give you a helping hand. There will be lot of support from some woman, is that also indicated. And in finance, you have got the card 7 of Swords. So this card says that it's not a bad card as far as finances is concerned. You have to balance it, that's the thing. And you will have lot of finances issues coming in, where you have to little bit put your mind to balance it. So be careful. And other hand, it also says some blames regarding your balancing the money or how you spend it, that is also indicated. So you need to be little bit careful in spending. And if you are in some job where finances you are handling, there you need to be careful. Otherwise, there are issues that you may be blamed for unwanted things. Need to take care, guys. And for travels, you have got the card 6 of Pentacles. This card says if you want to go on a spiritual journey, pilgrimage, this will be very good. And also there is chances that you help others for going for pilgrimage or doing some charitable things regarding travels and all is indicated. But overall, if you want with family, you want to go for some vacation, for that also this is not a bad card. It's a good card. You can go, there is no issues. And as far as your wish fulfillment is there, you have got the card 5 of Wands. Many people think that 5 of Wands is a card of conflicts and all, but in this context, when we see the wish fulfillment, it says that you have to work hard for it. If you work hard for it, your wish will be fulfilled. It depends wholly on the way you are going to tackle it, how far you are going to tackle it, how you are going to put your effort. It depends on it. That is the message from this card. It's nothing to worry. 5 of Wands in the wish fulfillment thing is a good thing as far as I put up the card in that way. So you have to work hard for it, then you you will definitely win over it. And in your property, you have got King of Wands. It's a great card. There is very much scope that you buy a new property or you renovate your house or something of that sort, where you have to manage lot of things and you will be definitely successful in it. You want to sell some property or buy some property, this is the correct time you can do it, and it will be very feasible for you. You can do that. And children card, you have got the card 8 of Wands. So little bit tension regarding children is indicated, anxiety from your part, and you want to speed up the things. Children are coping not that well, so you want speed, you want them to read more, you want them to be more disciplined. Such things are indicated from your side, so go slow. Taking things in your hands and being little bit stern or rude towards children can sometimes boomerang. You need to be very careful in it. And in your gains, you have got the card Justice. So this card, the gains also, you have got the card Justice with the balance. And in travel also, you have got this card. So in travel, we can also take that you need to take yourself in a balanced mode. Even though you get opportunity to go or you spend a lot in travel, that also this card indicates, because you spend a lot in travel, in self indulgence is also indicated, so you need to take care, that also this card says. And in the gains, this card, when you have got the Justice, it says that from long time any money blocked it was, or any property was not given to you, you were denied of it, such, and you were not able to do justice regarding your property of money matter to others. Such things will be sorted out this year, and finances will be fairly good enough through gains coming in, so it will be a justified thing. There will be no issues. If you had lot of problem in finance, it will be sorted out and it will be given a good justice from your side. In spirituality, you have got the card the High Priestess, an excellent card to get in a spiritual context. It says that your spirituality and in your inner feeling, your connection with God and your intuitional powers, these all will increase, and you can get more chance to go through scriptures, read more spiritual books, and get more wisdom in your spirituality, that is indicated. So great card. Among all the cards, I think your personal energy and your spiritual energy cards are really very great. So I will give a full thumbs up for it. And in one word, if we say how will be this year, you have got the card King of Swords. So basically, King of Swords is a card of win-win case. You will win over all the situations, however it may be, whether it is somewhat lesser than the expectation or higher. You will make a balance and get through all the tides and come up winning. So a great card. Overall, when we see, if we have to give the mark how this year will be with King of Swords, I would give minimum 80% mark. So a great year ahead for you. So in tarot guidance for this year, you have got the card 8 of Cups. So 8 of Cups, in the advice mode, we have got the card 8 of Cups. It says that there may be some instances in this year that you feel that I have to leave the work or your career or relationship. You may get frustrated at some time, but you need to take care of it a little bit, be detached, so that things will sort it on its own. So that is the advice from the tarot to you. Let's see what the angels want to do. Energy work. Life can be electrifying because its very essence is energy. Your body is a remarkable energy field that will positively respond to loving treatments. Your hands and heart are activated to give healing energy to your loved ones and clients. So here what it says, that energy work will help you to de-stress yourself and to remove all positive feelings in and around your aura, and to bring lot of positivity in life. Go for some energy work, some meditation, or go for some Reiki healing. If you are into it, you go for it, or if you are not into it, you don't find time for it, so you can get the help of someone who can do for it, that will energize you and bring lot of changes coming up in your life, in your personal life, in your career life, and in your general life. So these are the things, guys. If you like our channel, kindly like, share and subscribe.